Guys, today we're going to tackle all about the Agile and the waterfall model. So let's first discuss the waterfall model. So waterfall model is the linear and sequential software development approach where each linear phases must be completed before the next phase begins. So the typically phases included the requirements analysis. It's gather all requirements. Then the second one is the system design. We're creating architectural and detailed designs. And the third one is the implementation, coding and the unit testing. The fourth one is the integration and testing, varying that components work together. And the fourth one is the deployment, releasing the software to users. And the sixth part is the maintenance, where addressing the bugs and the making improvements. And the waterfall model has its strength of. Then the first one is the its clear structure. Each phases is well defined, making it easier to manage and document. The second one is predictability. Since requirements are set upfront, timelines and budgets are more predictable. Third one is the good for large projects. So waterfall is very works well for projects with well-defined scope and requirements. The fourth one is the easier to manage because everything is planned in advance and project management is more straightforward. That is the waterfall model. And waterfall model has its also weaknesses. So here is the first weaknesses of the waterfall model. Flexibility. Once a phase is completed, revisiting it is costly and time consuming. The second one, weaknesses of the waterfall, is the slow adaptation to changes. Requirements cannot easily be changed once the development starts. The third one is late testing. Errors are often discovered late in the process, increasing the cost of fixing them. And the fourth one, the weakness of the waterfall model is the not ideal for the uncertain requirements. If consumers' needs are unclear, this model struggles to accommodate changes. That's the weaknesses of the waterfall model. And agile model is to be discussed by my partner, which is Cristel Lidaño.
So let's continue the topic, which is the Agile model. So what is Agile model? Agile model is an interactive and flexible approach where development is divided into small increments called sprints. Agile follows principles from the Agile Manifesto, emphasizing collaboration, customer feedback, and adaptive planning. So K-Agile methodologies. First is Scrum. Focuses on short sprints 1 to 4 weeks with regular reviews. Second one is Kanban. Uses a visual to track progress and workflow. Third is Scrum programming. Prioritize high quality coding and frequent testing. So Agile model has strength, which is flexibility, faster delivery, customer collaboration, early bug detection, and better risk management. So flexibility meaning Agile allows for changes in requirements throughout the project. Faster delivery. Frequent iterations mean that working software is delivered faster. Customer collaboration. Continuous feedback ensures that the product meets user expectations. Early bug detection. Continuous testing helps identify and fix bugs early in development. Best risk management. Since Agile adopts quickly, risk be mitigated more effectively. So Agile model has also weaknesses. First is requires close collaboration. So Agile teams need constant communication, which can be challenging. Two, difficult to predict cost and time. Because requirements evolve, budgeting and scheduling are harder to estimate. The third is flexible, high, continuous feedback and collaboration, easily adaptable, ideal for small to medium-sized evolving projects, faster, continuous throughout development, lower risk to the frequent iteration. That's all. Thank you.
Stop. So that's all, guys, and thank you, and hope you have something to learn.